In real estate, the environmental impact of a decision to either refurbish or demolish and rebuild an existing commercial property is a perfect example of pressures on the horizon that will force more attention on energy usage, resource conservation, and the climate. The Carbon Leadership Forum reports that approximately 30% of all global carbon emissions are attributed to the building sector. When attempting to quantify the environmental impact of such a decision, one of the challenges commercial property owners may face shortly will be minimizing embodied carbon. Embodied carbon is defined as the greenhouse gas emissions produced by the manufacture, transportation, installation, maintenance, and disposal of building materials. There are 4 discrete stages in a building's cradle-to-grave life cycle: a product stage, a construction stage, a use stage, and an end-of-life stage. The embodied carbon in a commercial building is comprised of all greenhouse gases produced in every life cycle stage except the use stage. Approximately 55% of the carbon embodied across a building's life cycle occurs up front before a building is occupied. The highest levels of embodied carbon will be produced in the production stage, followed by the construction stage. The Inflation Reduction Act is a recent attempt at the federal level to decrease embodied carbon. The legislation aims to reduce total carbon emissions by 40% by 2030. While the cost of altering or removing dated properties may prove beneficial to the environment, it can simultaneously lower the return on a property owner's investment. Newly constructed buildings have the advantage of newer, possibly higher quality materials that abide by more stringent energy codes that have been put in place in many cities. The result of implementing such products should be an improved tenant experience and higher rents, a win-win for both developers and tenants. For more information, check out my article, Commercial's Carbon Conundrum, in the summer 2023 edition of TG.